How to get WhatsApp Meta AI. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you if it's possible or not to get Meta AI in your WhatsApp. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your WhatsApp app. As you do so, get logged into your WhatsApp account number, then tap onto the Communities option from your bottom bar. Tap onto the group that you are a member of. In order to activate the Meta AI, tap onto the message box and simply type in @ and Meta. In case it's not showing you any bot, that means this feature is not available on your device or your location. If this feature is not available on your WhatsApp Messenger, all you can do is wait for this feature to get accessible to your location or device. And that is the only way you can get Meta AI in your WhatsApp Messenger. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.